The festival Diwali means lots of cracker and firework and lots of diya in every home, as this is the festival of light. And from a foodie's point of view, lots of sweet. So how to make this Diwali more special? Why not we can make a special recipe for this special festival?
Hello and welcome to Saiflaal's Kitchen. Today we are gonna be making a very special recipe called roasted Kaju Malai, and this is a perfect recipe to make on this Diwali. So let's get started.
So the ingredients we need to make the roasted Kaju Malai are: take 100 grams of cashew nut and then with the help of a blender make a powder of it. Then 60 grams of sugar, 1/4 cup of water. Then take 1/4 cup of milk and add a little saffron to that. Then 3 tablespoons of condensed milk, 1 tablespoon of ghee, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 5 to 6 of almonds. Then take a pan and add the sugar to it, then the water. Mix this well. Now we need to cook this for 5 to 7 minutes or until we get one string consistency, something like this. Now reduce the flame to low, then add the cashew nut powder. Now mix this really well, and when it's completely cooked, it will release the sides of the pan. Now add 1 tablespoon of ghee and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Now just before removing it from the heat, add 1 tablespoon of the condensed milk. Now switch off the flame and set it aside. Now we need to make the malai for this recipe. So in a pan, add the milk, the condensed milk, then wait till it comes to boil, then reduce the flame to low. Now add the cardamom powder. When the malai becomes thick, switch off the flame. Now take a tablespoon like this and apply some ghee to prevent the kaju from sticking. Now take 1 tablespoon of the roasted kaju and make a ball out of it. Now place it on the tablespoon and gently press it with the thumb at the middle and try to give it a shape of the tablespoon. Now you have to shape the cashew while it's hot and not cool down, else you can't shape it like this. Now on one side, squeeze the shape a little bit so that we will get the familiar design of the diya. Now smooth the sides a little bit so it won't break while we're taking it off the spoon. Now to make the flame, we will use the almond. So take an almond and place this at the tip of the diya. Now it's perfect. Now I'm gonna slowly remove it from the spoon and place it on a plate. Similarly make the other diya. Now place it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Now we will pour some of the malai in the diya. Now add 1 teaspoon of the malai in every diya. Now again place this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. But it don't look that delicious. It does not look like a special dish. Just a second. Now it is. And that's it. The roasted Kaju Malai or the Diwali Mithai is that simple.
I wish all my viewers a very happy and safe Diwali, and do try this happy Diwali mithai.
And remember, don't just eat the leaf, live to eat. To subscribe to my channel, click on the subscribe button below and get updates of the latest videos. Thanks for watching. For more info, visit my website.